Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can check all your passwords saved on your Android phone. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and let's get started. So, in order to check passwords on your Android device, first you will need to go to your phone settings. You may have them here on your work screen, as I did. If not, then you'll need to swipe down from the right side of the screen and click on the gear. Next, we swipe to the very bottom and find the Google section. Next, we're going to click Manage Your Account. And here under our name, we'll need to swipe to the left side in order to find Security. And here in Security, we need to scroll down to the very bottom and find the Password Manager section. Then we click on that. And here we can find the password for any application or social network that we have. I don't have a lot of them, but if you have a lot of them, you can also find them using the search bar. Just by, for example, typing in the name. Then you'll need to confirm with your fingerprint or Face ID or password that it's really you. And as you can see, from several of my Instagram accounts, I have passwords that we can see. We can also copy them, for example, and then we can do what we need to do with them. This is a simple way to check all the passwords that are saved on your Android phone. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes, write comments, and see you soon, friends.